Bisecting an angle by constructing its bisector. Alright, so in this video we're going to learn how to bisect an angle. So the starting point is that we need to first draw an angle or have an angle. So we're going to start out by drawing an angle. Alright, so our first step is to draw acute angle BAC. So we're going to draw an acute angle and we're going to label it BAC. So the first thing I'm going to do is I would let's say draw a line segment AB, draw a line segment then 10 centimeter and label it AB. Now in my drawing I'm using 10 centimeters, and that is so that I can make the drawing more pronounced so that it's clear to everybody. In practice 5 or 6 centimeter is sufficient. Alright, so I draw my line segment AB. Then to complete my angle, I draw a line segment AC, also of length 10 centimeters. And I did that so that the arms of the angle AC and AB are of the same length. So I want to make the magnitude of my angle sufficiently large so that I can draw the diagram without a problem. So using an angle of between 50 and 90 degrees is adequate. One, you could use your protractor to assist you in that, in terms of getting the magnitude of the angle correct. Now, step 2, we're going to open our compass to a suitable radius, and with A as center, we're going to scribe an arc to cut line segments AB and AC at D and E respectively. So the instruction here, suitable radius, implies that you're going to have to make a judgment. In general, suitable means not too wide and not too narrow. If the radius is too wide, the distance between the metal tip and the drawing point of the compass, if that is too wide, then that distance is too wide, then your construction is going to be too big. If it's too narrow, then your construction is going to be too small. All right, so want to use a suitable radius. If you're using 5 or 6 centimeter, a radius of 3 centimeter is good enough for suitable. But in general, suitable means that you're going to have to make a decision, make a judgment. All right. So I open my compass to a suitable radius with A as the center. I put the metal tip at A. I scribe my arc and I ensure that the arc cuts the line AB and it cuts the line AC at D and E respectively. Step 3 says, without shifting the compass and with D and E as centers, I'm going to scribe 2 arcs to intersect at F in front of A. So again, without shifting the compass means that the distance between the metal tip and the drawing point must not change, so that initial distance AD must not change. So now I simply move the metal tip now from A and put it at E and D and scribe 2 arcs. First at E, scribe an arc, then simply move the metal tip from D over to E, scribe a second arc. The 2 arcs intersect at F. All right. And then now my last step, step 4, is to draw a line segment from A through F. Draw a line segment from A through F. So that line AF is my bisector, and it divides the angle BAC into 2 equal halves. The top half is 30 degrees and the bottom half is 30 degrees. Alright, and that is how you bisect an angle.